3, 2, 1.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Her channel.
Her, yeah, her, not us. That's pretty face.
I like it.
Wait, me?
Yes.
You.
Okay, so for this week's video, or today's video, we are doing the Newlywed game.
What the century-year-old?
Oh my gosh. You'll get that if you watched our Q&A.
We'll explain to you later.
We'll
You're
show
too
you.
old to get it.
So if you guys don't know, which I don't know why you would, but this is Riley's sister and brother-in-law. So my sister-in-law and brother-in-law, Lindsay and Sipp.
Hi, what's up?
And we are obviously doing the Newlywed tag game. So I'll ask them their question, and then they'll ask us the question, and we're gonna see who does better.
I'm excited.
This is gonna go terribly wrong.
It is. Okay, who wants to start?
I want to read you a question.
Okay. You can pick and choose any question. You don't have to go in order.
Okay, there's two parts to this question.
Okay.
But okay. Number one. When and where did you first kiss?
Do you want to answer together? Because we know. Do you want to answer together or just both answer?
Okay, you're gonna on the count of 3. You're gonna say your answer really quick, and then we'll like explain if it's different. Okay.
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
My house.
Allie's house. Oh!
Good thing they agreed.
Yeah.
Okay, and then my spouse's first kiss made me think.
Blank. 3, 2,
1.
We should date?
Oh!
Wow. She should shave her mustache.
I'm
just kidding.
Are you sure you want to keep going?
Oh gosh. I know this was brutal.
She should shave her mustache.
Youch.
I'm just kidding.
Okay,
That's
which one
cute.
should we do for them? Oh wait, you can't read these because then you'll know.
Oh.
Get out of here.
Get out of here.
Wait, so we're answering these ones?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Who is better at managing finances?
Oh, me.
Wait.
Oh,
No.
sorry. He knows me too. Okay. Me. It's true.
I guess I don't have to.
The
put my
lady
hand
Sipp.
Mm-hmm.
up. Lady Sipp.
Yeah, it's true.
That
Okay.
was the easy one.
What is your spouse's most irritating habit? Ready?
1.
3.
Wait, no.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, you have to answer for me and then I have to answer for you.
Yeah, let's.
Yeah.
You know,
Wait, so I have to guess what you think.
No,
What
you just.
my irritating habit
This is more of like a Q&A and
No,
stuff.
yeah, you just tell me what my.
Yeah, we don't have to have matchy answers on the all of them.
All right.
Go ahead.
What's your spouse's
you go
most
first.
irritating habit?
So many things.
The correct answer is she cares too much.
Oh, no,
She works
she
too
takes
hard.
my phone out of my hand.
Not
And
anymore.
Okay, but you used to. That still fires me up when I think about it.
Still mad about that.
Wait, do we need to?
He used to go like this. Let's show the people. He would be doing it like this and not paying attention. I go and just fling it right out because
See,
he
it's
doesn't
coming
have
back.
good reason.
I'm perfect. We all know.
Who's hussy?
Oh, it's his willingness to help. Love that.
Oh, we're being sarcastic.
There was some sarcasm there, I'm pretty sure.
A little bit.
Okay.
Oh, this is a good one. I'm a little nervous.
Who would you say is the most unusual family member that you have met? Take that as you will.
The most unusual family member on the other person's side?
Yeah. So person or like my 8th cousin twice removed, like unusual. Or like you're a weird MF.
Ooh.
Weird. Riley was a little weird when I met him.
Riley
course,
was 5 when you met
He
him.
was little.
You weirdo.
No, actually, Riley was pretty cool when I first met him. He was,
Uh-huh.
he was like, "Come play basketball with me," and that was the last time I beat him at basketball.
5.
He was a widow guy.
What about you, Lindsay?
So we went to a family event, and I bonded with like on his
Okay.
side, and then 2 weeks later
Called
and asked if we would be okay listed as essentially the godparents for that person, and if anything happened to the parents, we would get that child that I met for 2 hours at this family function. That was kind of weird.
just a little forward.
Yeah, like,
Hi, you seem nice. Here's a kid.
here's my baby.
This is great.
Yeah.
Maybe you just have one of those faces and one of those kind spirits.
You do,
It's true, you do.
but I don't know after 2 hours. I'm like,
Here's my baby.
Godparent.
That's
Done.
fair. That's fair.
Yeah. What bill does your spouse complain about the most?
Oh, I know this one.
Let Riley go first.
Yeah.
Crap, which one is it? I get them confused. Okay, it's our gas bill because it's like $12 a month, and if it's any higher than that, I just freak out on Allie just for fun. And I come back and I say, guess how much our gas bill was, and she gets all nervous that she accidentally left something on or something. And then it's like $13 versus 12 or
Break
whatever.
the bank.
That's probably what I complain about the most.
It is. No.
Well, that and Target runs, but that's not really.
That's what I was gonna say. Is the bill? You don't answer for yourself. What bill does your spouse complain about?
No, see, that's what I was talking about the other time. He said it's a Q&A.
It is. So you have to answer the Q with your
Yeah.
A. What bill does your spouse? So me. What do I
Oh.
complain about?
Mm-hmm.
I was gonna say you complain about my bills, the me bills. But yeah, the gas bill always freaks me out.
Yeah. That's my answer. I would say the Buffalo Bills.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
And if I'm cut from any future scenes,
This
know
is why
why.
we decided to end production.
Yeah. Had a
You
good
can ask
run.
more and we'll just switch back because we don't have to do every other question.
What was your first impression of your spouse? Okay, hold on. You guys first met in
Our junior year.
of high school in a
Yes.
class that you had together.
Yes.
Okay.
But you told her your name was Emmett.
No. Did not tell her my name was Emmett.
Nope. Didn't talk to me.
Oh,
I
Okay,
know
so
what-
what was your first impression? Your first impression about Riley?
My first impression of Riley. What do you think my first impression was of me?
Ooh,
I know what it was. Like, you thought I was a grumpy old man that never talks.
There you go. It is. He was a grumpy old man. He never talked. I would ask him, "What do you think of this problem?" He'd be
Did
like,
his eyebrows
"Looks
do
good."
this?
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Just a mean old.
It's not mean to you.
No, you weren't mean. You just didn't
Like
talk,
Walter
and I think
Matthau?
that's mean. What was your first impression of me?
You have to answer.
I don't know what I was too wrapped up in trying to get you to talk to me.
Just didn't really worry about anything
what
else.
you were thinking.
Guess we'll never know. Obviously, I thought you were cute.
Oh.
Don't lie to the people.
Like really cute, or like how on a cute scale? Like you just walk into a room and there's like 200 little puppies that are waiting to like engulf you into puppydom, or cute like sup ma?
Puppy cute.
Yeah.
I don't think that's true, but we can let you slide with that answer.
Why do you think I never talked to you?
Because you're a grumpy old man.
Grumpy old
Did
man.
the grumpy old man get to slide into the DMs?
I slid into the DMs.
Oh, that's what the people want to know.
Yeah.
The people know.
Lovers of Liberty.
What's your spouse's favorite junk food?
Good
Shit.
luck, Al.
Oh. Reese's or Snickers?
Oh,
I know yours.
I know
What
Oh,
were
hers.
your
is she the
spouses?
What do you think mine is? And
I know
then
it
we'll
is.
get-
He likes Scotcheroos.
Is that a junk food or is that a treat?
It's a junk food.
Okay, what do you think it is?
The spicy chicken sandwich from Chick-fil-A.
I was gonna go Otter Pops.
Oh!
I was literally just eating one.
It's true. We have a special freezer outside just for
for
Allie's
me.
Otter Pops.
For special
At our
Allie.
house, not their house.
Yeah.
Special Allie has a special freezer in our special house.
Is this like exposing Allie and all her eating habits?
Allie.
What's the most embarrassing thing you've done around your spouse?
Well, I feel like other people think it's embarrassing, but I don't think it's embarrassing. 3, 2, 1. Fart. All the time.
All the time.
And with that, he let rip.
Yep.
Since pretty early on.
Like the first, well, when you guys were in class together,
Well, not in class, but yeah, when we were dating.
that'd have been funny if you let one rip in chem class.
Oh, hello.
What was that?
He just farted.
actually gone off.
That's funny. What is the first thing that your spouse would buy if they won the lottery?
Oh, I don't know.
I have an answer for you.
Yeah. That's why it says your spouse, not yourself.
You would probably buy...
A Chick-fil-A.
probably buy a Ford Explorer on your way to Target.
Yes. And pick up?
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A on the way home.
No.
No, a
Both.
Chick-fil-A
Both,
on the way
yes.
home.
Oh, hi, I'm your new owner. Hello.
Hello.
I'll take the
Riley?
keys and a number 6 to go. Wait,
Number
no,
Number
two.
one.
Number 2.
Number two. You so I can get the spicy.
And number 1.
Upstairs?
Downstairs. I don't like
downstairs. No. Riley would get a CD.
With CD.
Certificate of deposit.
Oh my gosh, you are such a nerd.
Like
sure.
or like a compact disc.
That's what I was thinking. Like, why are you buying a CD?
Buy a CD.
He's
So
coming back.
So here's the thing. I don't know how young your audience is or whatever, but back in the day we actually had to buy CDs, or we would burn music
What is
on
that?
CDs.
Or
Coming from the century-old.
floppy disks.
The floppy disks. Back in my day, we had to listen on the phonograph.
We had to crank our telephone.
Crank it with the like tuba looking thing. That's
Yes.
Yeah. Or is that?
That's
is
pretty
that
mean.
after? Or did you get that for like your 10th birthday?
I was a preemie.
I was a preemie.
I'm not that old. Come on now.
Okay, so exposing Allie
One more
and
time.
roasting Joshy.
We are ready.
Here we go. What frightens your spouse the most?
What frightens you the most?
I really feel like we should have played this as like me and Joshy versus Lindsay and Riley.
Probably should have.
We can do that.
Still
We can do
that.
another round of questions. I'm sure there's other questions.
There's
Oh,
lots
yeah.
of questions we could come up with.
I know.
What?
For you,
Yeah.
snakes. You hate snakes.
Yeah, I fucking hate snakes.
Who
Yeah.
likes
Oh, you don't have to
snakes?
edit because I edit my own.
I know. You got me.
I got you.
Yeah.
For you, it would be like dark house.
Alone.
Scared of the dark?
Well, no,
I am.
just rolling home after nobody's
Yeah,
been
you
there.
come home
Whatever.
late at night.
Yeah.
Like that's spooky. I don't
Yeah.
like that.
No, that's
What is the strangest gift your spouse ever bought for you?
does it have to be spouse or family?
Spouse.
Not weird, but like adorable. Like when we first met, you used to make me these little, like when I travel, you used to make me these little like travel pack things of like brown paper bag special, and then I'd have to like open the bag, and inside there would be like activities to do while I was on the plane. Or,
That's adorable.
I know, that's
love
a good
you.
one.
I
That's
love
a
you.
good one.
Adorable.
Lindsay?
You want me to go?
Yeah.
Okay, so when we were dating,
Uh-oh.
bless his little heart, asked my roommate at the time what I would like. And so she told him, and when I came home, there was this like really beautiful bouquet of peach roses, like peach colored roses.
Oh, cute.
Yeah, but I don't.
Her favorite flower is not peach roses.
It's my roommate's favorite flower.
I went to the roommate looking for ideas,
And
only
he's
to
like
find
sitting
out
there
that
waiting the whole time, and I'm like, thank you. That's very kind.
Yeah.
Like, that's sweet. But he's like, you don't love them? And I'm like,
No.
yeah, I do. That's
yeah,
very.
but no.
No, and he's like, but your favorite flower is peach roses.
No.
It's not. Not even close.
What is your favorite flower?
Tulips.
I love
Boom.
tulips.
Tulip? What's my favorite flower?
You don't have a favorite flower. You're dead inside.
Flower baked into a cinnamon roll.
Yeah, the flower I use
I
to
love
make
cinnamon
cinnamon rolls.
Yeah.
Wanna read one?
Where did you go on your first date?
Oh.
Back to my place. Not like that. Just to talk.
I don't believe it.
Just to talk, for real. We did. We actually spent a lot of time talking the first like 4 days. Actually, our first real date we actually met the day before Easter, and I invited her to my family's house for Easter party.
That's
No.
why you told her the wrong name.
No,
You told me the wrong
I
name.
didn't tell you the wrong name. I told you my name was Sipp. 'Cause that's
Which I thought you had hippie parents. And
I do kind of have hippie parents though.
It's
Love you guys.
Joshua.
but then when we went,
I don't think they're watching.
love you guys. Yeah.
Oh, I wish they were.
This is a good question for Lindsay to answer. Okay, what is your spouse's most repeated sentence or phrase?
Oh, I love this one.
Most repeated sentence or phrase?
Yeah.
Wah wah wah.
Well, don't make crappy jokes.
Oh.
It really is wah wah wah.
There you go, see?
What's Joshy's?
You say cadence a lot.
Cadence?
Yeah.
In what context?
I do
Like,
say
what's
cadence.
the cadence of this, and what's the cadence of this, and with the plan going forward, what's the cadence of the plan?
Really? I've never heard Josh say
Really?
that ever once.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
I would say Josh's would be like TF. He says like,
Yeah.
what the TF?
He doesn't say what the TF. He says, what TF are you doing?
Yeah, that's true.
It's true.
That's what I would have thought.
That's true.
I wish mine was cool, 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 no doubt.
Cool. Cool, 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 cool. No doubt, no doubt, no doubt, no doubt. Good.
But it's not.
But it's not.
But it's toy nups.
It's usually just
Riley.
Emmett, Gary, Levitt. Okay, we'll do one more speed round.
Speed.
I don't know the difference between this round and the previous rounds, but we're calling it a speed round.
Okay.
What adjective best describes your spouse's family?
Awesome.
Whoa.
I like it.
I don't think they're gonna watch this.
Love you
They
guys.
definitely aren't watching this.
No.
Speed round
Oh,
is
speed
not
round.
going well. Lindsay.
What adjective best described your spouse on your wedding day? Beautiful. Oh!
What'd he say?
Beautiful.
Disappointed.
Riley was he was disappointed?
I think so. You're saying that you were disappointed in the way I look.
No, it's
you
the
were
way your
disappointed
spouse
in her.
felt. You think you were beautiful?
No!
I was pretty.
No, it's what the
Oh
way
my
my
gosh.
spouse looked.
Yes.
So
No.
what describes
Felt.
No, best describes your spouse. Just best describes your
On.
spouse. Your wedding day.
Yes.
So how the best described you?
Yes.
That's
Yeah.
my answer.
Was beautiful for me, and I
Yeah.
said disappointed for you.
Why was I disappointed?
I don't know, but you smelt our wedding candle, and you thought our wedding day smelled like disappointment.
No, you said it doesn't smell like anything, and I was like, no,
No.
it smells like disappointment.
No, not the context. Somebody,
Yes, it was.
no, someone was at our house, and we have a candle that we got for our wedding, and it has a picture of us, and it's the color of our wedding, and it just smells like clean and fresh. And I don't even know who was at our house, but someone picked it up, and they're like, oh, what does your wedding smell like? And Riley goes, disappointment. Okay, that is all for this video. If you guys want to see more of the Sips, they want to start a channel, but I think they have and nothing's been posted.
It started.
It's true.
Not quite there yet.
Comment down below and like this video if you want to see videos from them and more of them, and we'll do that. And make sure that you're subscribed with the notification bell on. Even though sometimes it doesn't work, we still want to give it a try. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye! Someone stand up and go hit the lens.